How to delete effects in CapCut. Whether you added the wrong effect or just want a clean look, removing it is super simple. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the project where you have added effects. Now in the timeline, effects are usually placed in the one track, either above or below your video clips. As you can see, the effect is placed above my video like this. Click on the effect layer in the timeline to select it. Now press the delete key on your keyboard or simply right click on it and select delete and play back the video in the preview window to make sure the effect is gone. You can also add the effect from here if you want to add the new effect, just like this. Add it, and again if you are not satisfied with this effect, simply select it and click on delete. And that's how easy it is to remove the effect from your CapCut projects. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.